The digestive systems of most mammals are highly similar, and so therefore the digestive systems of pigs, sheep, goats, and cows are not only similar to each other, but similar to those of most mammals. These four mammals are artiodactyls, even-toed herbivorous mammals, and thus, because of being related to each other, they share additional similarity. Within this group, however, the sheep, cows, and goats are not only ruminants but bovids. They are more closely related to each other than pigs, and so therefore their digestive systems are more similar. For example, these three, unlike pigs, have a four-chambered stomach where the compartmentalization allows microbes to specialize in the breakdown of nutrient-poor plant stuffs as an adaptation for herbivory. Also, these three are capable of ruminating their food, after swallowing their food into their stomachs, regurgitating it thanks to skeletal muscle in their esophagus so they can chew it more and then swallow it a second time. In all four of these animals, the food is swallowed into the esophagus, which is posterior to the trachea, and in the bovids, the skeletal muscle of the esophagus allows them to ruminate, or thus to regurgitate their food, chew it, and swallow it again. The large stomachs allow for the mixing of plant material with gastric juices, and in the cows, sheep, and goats, the stomach is four-chambered, and microbes which inhabit the stomach aid in the breakdown of low-quality foodstuffs. There is an obvious difference in both length and width of the small intestine and the large intestine. The large intestine has a sizable cecum. It is much larger than it is in humans, as is typical in herbivores. And in pigs, it is the widest portion of the large intestine. The digestive accessory structures are highly similar, from comparable salivary glands to the liver, the body's second largest organ after the skin, which exists in multiple lobes and has diverse roles in the process of digestion. The gallbladder, which concentrates and stores bile made in the liver, which can then be released into the small intestine through the common bile duct. And the pancreas, which produces digestive enzymes. These accessory structures are similar across these artiodactyls.